Good morning students. Welcome to the first maths class of class 11th. This video is meant for those students who have opted maths as the optional subject. Do you know children, till last year we were having the common mathematics for both science and commerce stream. But this year CBSE has introduced applied mathematics for commerce stream. It's comparatively easier than the other maths book. I will send you the PDF of the latest syllabus and the handbook for the students because at present textbook will not be available in the market so that you can use it for the study purpose. Today I am going to deal with the chapter sets. You are familiar with the word set, but you don't know what is the mathematical definition of set. Set means it is a well-defined collection of objects. This word well-defined is very important. What is the meaning of this word well-defined? Well-defined means if I say a collection like days of a week, the answer is specific to all. We know that the days of a week are Sunday, then Monday, Tuesday, etc. up to Saturday. There is no confusion for the answer. Answer is specific. But if I say the set of heighted boys of class 11th, so we cannot collect or we cannot select a particular group of students from class 11th because everybody is having his or her own height. So we cannot select a particular group of students who are heighted. Another set is, if I say set of all dangerous animals of the world, it depends upon the individual. Some children are having the fear of snake, some are having the fear of elephant, some are having the fear of tiger, some are having the fear of lion, like that. It depends upon the individual whom we select. So all those are not well-defined collections. So well-defined collection means the answer should be a specific one. It should be a universally accepted one. Clear? Some more examples are, if I say set of all alphabets, we know that English alphabet specifically, English alphabets are A to Z. We know that set of all even numbers, we know that it is 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. So all those are well-defined collections. So set means it is a well-defined collection of objects. Sets are denoted by the letters capital A, B, C, X, Y, Z, etc. And to denote the elements, members of a set, we generally use small letters, small a, b, c, small x, y, z, etc. Now, there are two ways for representing a set. First way is the roster form or tabular form. So, what is this roster form or tabular form of set? In roster form, the elements of a set are listed. That means the elements are written by putting commas in between and they are enclosed within braces. What are these braces? Braces means curly brackets. These type of brackets are known as braces. So elements are written by putting commas in between and they are enclosed within braces. Means starting and end should be a curly bracket like this. Similarly, B is the set of all alphabets. So we can write it as A, B, C, etc. up to Z. Like this, we can represent the set. This is known as the roster form of the set. Now, another way of representation of set is the set builder form. What is the set builder form? In set builder form, we can see that each and every element of the set will have a common property and which is not there for the elements which are outside the set. That means the same we can write as a statement like this. If we consider the set, we can see that each and every day is a day of a week. So this is the common property here. So we choose an arbitrary element x. And what is the common property x says? X is a day of week. So this way of writing is known as the set builder form. Similarly, for B, the set builder form is, we can see that each and every member is a letter of English alphabet. So we can write X is a letter of English alphabet. So this way of writing is known as the set builder form. So questions are there for converting roster form to set builder and set builder form to roster form. One more example I can show you how to convert set builder form to the roster form. Suppose C is the set of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So corresponding set builder form we want to write, suppose. So we can see that all numbers are even. We can write let C is equal to set of all x such that x is an even natural number less than or equal to 10. Less than or equal to 10 you can write, or you can write here less than 11, then also it is correct, there is no problem. Or you can write x is a multiple of 2 and up to 10 we can write. So this way we can convert roster form to set builder form and set builder form to roster form. Now for denoting the elements of a set, this symbol, this is known as epsilon. Epsilon is a Greek letter. This symbol is used for denoting an element of a set or belongs to the set. So in this particular set we can write 2 belongs to C, 6 belongs to C, 8 belongs to C, like that we can write. But if we consider any element which is not outside the set, like 3 is not an element of C. For denoting not an element, we use the symbol epsilon, then just strike it. Similarly, 5 is not an element. 5 does not belongs to C and so on. So these are the concepts related to the first exercise. We have to learn the definition of set, what are the different ways for representing the set, and how can we represent the elements of a set. So children, you understand all these concepts, and after that I will send you the chapters questions. You try those questions, and if any confusion is there, you just contact me. Thank you.